Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon. Welcome to Pakistani American News Channel. Qasser Mustafa Bhutta from New York. The head of the U.S. financial regulator, Gary Gensler, will resign from his role on the day of President-elect Donald Trump's inauguration. Mr. Gensler confirmed the news on social media platform X after the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) said its 33rd chairman would step down on 20th January next year. I thank President Biden for entrusting me with this incredible responsibility. The SEC has met our mission and enforced the law without fear and favor. Mr. Gensler said, Trump revealed plans to sack Mr. Gensler on day one of his new administration after the chairman took legal action against crypto firms, sparking controversy in some quarters. Appointed SEC chair in 2021, Mr. Gensler's term is technically supposed to run until 2026, but it is normal for agency leaders to depart their positions when a new administration begins. The president-elect and Mr. Gensler have very different views on cryptocurrencies, which has sparked tension between them. Values of different cryptocurrencies have been rising since President Donald Trump won the election, with Bitcoin reaching a record high value of $98,000 on Thursday. Investors believe President Donald Trump will rein in enforcement action and that any regulation will be lighter with a Republican in charge than it might have been under Democrats. Crypto firms donated at least $119 million to congressional candidates they think will pass legislation that is more favorable to their interests. At a Bitcoin conference in July, President Donald Trump said he would make the U.S. the crypto capital of the planet. He also launched his family's cryptocurrency venture, World Liberty Financial, in the middle of his campaign, but there have been very few details released about it so far. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.